After you sell the job, after the homeowner goes with you, what's one of the first steps that we should take?
Well, we have to do a load calculation on the house.
Now, what is a load cap?
Load calculation is come out and measure the house, how many square feet's in the house, take a measurement of the doors, windows, so whether the windows are single pane, double pane.
Details.
Detailed.
How about the way the house faces?
If it's facing north, south, east, or west, that determines how much sun is shining on that section of the house.
These things are important, right?
That's right.
Now, if the load cap's not done or done properly, what could be the side effects of not doing a load cap?
Well, you have put in the wrong size system into your home.
So we do the load cap to ensure that the proper size unit's put in, and just like this 20 SEER that we're putting in, it's a variable speed. I mean, you got a little room to play with that, right?
That's right. You see a lot of the houses, people come in, they'll put new vinyl windows in, they add some insulation and all that. So it's critical that you do the load calculation for that reason, because they actually can go back in tonnage on their equipment.
Right.
And actually saves them on their energy consumption, their light bill.
And when you did the crank up on my variable at my house, and I put in a 3-ton, chances are my unit's only running like 30, 40 percentile.
Yep.
And that was in the summertime. So if it can happen in my house, it can happen in this guy's house, it can happen in anybody's house. So make sure that you got the right load cap, right?
That's correct. And if you're gonna do any upgrades in the future, you need to take that into consideration. But when we do load calculations, we have to do load calculation based on what we have at that time.
So if somebody's gonna add a sunroom on 6 months from now, you need to know that, right?
Yep, need to know that.
You need to know that if you want to do it with that system. So we have to cover all these things. That's what a load calculation does.
That's right.